Hello my brothers, what's up? Today we'll make this intro animation and we will learn how to use 3D animation properties like perspective and transform style, preserve 3D, etc. Now let's dive into code. In our HTML file we have already imported our Google fonts and we have main in it nav. In the nav CSS tags, which has data and we have logo. The logo has two spans, as you see. Now let's move to CSS. We start as usual with this everything styling, and the body has Montserrat font family and dark background and white color, and the main display flex 65 content space between and the perspective 2000 pixels to give our main 3D space, and nav display flex and flex direction column and transform rotate y 45 degree to give it a 3D feel, and perspective 2000 pixels because we will animate its elements 3D animation, and transform origin right center, that's where the rotate should happen, and transform style preserve 3D to let it preserve the 3D rotate, and we give to our A's there's font size and font weight, and text decoration none, and text transform uppercase, and color white, max width 750 pixels, and line height 0.9, and we'll change transform. We use it to optimize our animation by letting the browser know that we will transform our A's, and transform translate y minus 700 pixels and rotate minus 60 degrees. This is the point where the A start animating, and we give it we give our transform some transition and start from 0 opacity, and transform style preserve 3D, and transform origin left center. And in JavaScript we have links, all main nav A. So when the window load, execute the loaded function. In this function add the animate link class to each link, this class is to animate these A's to their original place with making them visible, and rotate 0 and opacity 1, and we add to the first A some margin top. Now we give our A's different animation delays to get the result we want, and here is our first animation. Now let's move to the logo animation and styling. We have logo, display flex, and flex direction column, and position fixed to be always on the screen, even when we scroll bottom and right 50 pixels. Great. and we add to logos pane its font family, font size, and line height. And transform translate 100% because you will animate it to its original place, and this with 1.5 seconds transition. Cool. And we have logo span after, content empty, width and height 100%. First, let's add a blue background to see how these afters work, and position absolute top and left 0 to be over their spans, and transition 1.5 seconds, and declare our logo, and when load, add animate logo class to logo. This class make our spans transform to our original place, and make our afters transform away by 100%. And here we go. Now let's add the same body background color to afters. And here is our logo animation, and now we should add the animation delay to the first span and its after to start animating after the nav animation, and the other span should start after the first one. And the first animation delay 0.5 second, and the second 0.75. And here we are. Hope you enjoy this video. If you want more about this kind of videos, make sure to subscribe and turn on notification button.